Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint jelly updated. Start by gathering fresh mint leaves, sugar, apple cider vinegar, water, and pectin so you have everything ready. First, strip the leaves and bruise them gently to release oils. Measure sugar and pectin precisely to ensure a proper set and consistent texture. Use a fine sieve to strain for a clear jelly and cool jars before filling to avoid cracks. Begin by making an infused mint liquid. Simmer bruised mint leaves in water, then strain and measure the liquid. Return the measured liquid to the pot and add sugar and pectin, following package ratios for jelly. Stir constantly over medium heat until the mixture reaches a rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Skim foam, then test a spoonful on a chilled plate to check the set before canning into sterilized jars. Once your mixture hits a full rolling boil, time it and stir continuously to prevent burning. Follow the pectin instructions closely because timing determines whether the jelly sets or runs. After boiling and skimming, pour hot jelly into prepared jars, leaving appropriate headspace, then wipe rims and apply lids. Process jars in a boiling water bath to seal, then let cool undisturbed so you can confirm the lids pop and the jelly firms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.